this trade allows me to now take a payout from my Apex accounts. Which we break out of this area, we should be gold. This will be the platform I actually start trading New York on. I will eventually go to take a 2K payout from each account, so that will end up being a 20,000 plus payout. But yeah, if you do want to check the P&L out, boys, it is in the description. Right, look, boys, I have a decision to make. Indeed. Now, as you all know, I have just bought 5 Lucid accounts, but you might not know, since they were 50% off, 0 activation fee, and had the exact same rules as TopStep. I've just bought 5 Flex accounts. Since obviously they have got the 50% off, I want to buy 5 Flex accounts. Lucid Flex. Use the code LOCKIN. There we go, as you can see. Going to get 50% off of these accounts and the 0 activation fees. And in the funded stage, it's literally the same as TopStep. So it's basically me just buying another 5 TopStep accounts, but for even cheaper than what I just paid. Now, I'm passing these with London Session, because what have we just done with London Session? Over the past 2 weeks, we've just passed another TopStep account, and we're about to take a payout on Apex. I have to wait till midnight tonight, and I'll be taking a payout from Apex from 3 accounts. I think I'm just going to take 1 though, and then let the other ones scale to the max payout. I'll be able to take out about $1,000 out tonight, I believe, so, or $1,500. So I'm going to wait. But what I decided to do in the meantime is, as you can see, there's so much consistency with London Session. London Session since January this year, the entire year, I've just been consistent. Up 17 hour last month. So far this fucking month we're up for 11, 12. We're up 12 hour this fucking month already, right? It's kind of mad. So I am going to scale my London Session accounts. This is the trade that I took this morning on London. I was on the live. Unfortunately, took a loss in this trade. We break out of this area, we should be gold. Ooh, what's going on? I might get out and...
Order filled.
Oh, and I left the live, which is kind of annoying because I was pissed. I just woke up, I wasn't in the best headspace, so sorry about that, boys. Who was on that? And then I eventually waited for the short, got in the short, boom, 1 to 2, trailed it a little bit. I'll play it somewhere on the screen now.
Order filled.
But I wasn't on the live. But yeah, this trade allows me to now take a payout from my Apex accounts, which is sick. And so with the money, and then what I've done is I bought another 3 TopStep accounts. I'm basically going all in on London Session. Now, with regards to New York today, and New York overall, I've been struggling, boys. I've been getting fucked. Now, today's trade, I'll show you. This is the trade I took today. And when I look back at this now, I'm fuming. I don't know what it is. Every single day, this is the 1 minute, let me go to 5. Every single day, I just keep making dumb decisions and dumb mistakes on New York. Don't know what it is, don't know why, but I just am. And so this is the trade. I entered this buy here. Obviously, what was one support becomes resistance. I entered the buy. There wasn't really much volume. We'd already stretched quite a lot. Already done 50 points. I should have waited. 100% should have waited at this point. I didn't. Got stopped the fuck out. And then on my Lucid account, for those that don't know, Lucid has its own platform called TradeC. It's so fucking clean. Clean as fucking chips, bro. So I ended up taking this short here. Boom. And made $1,500 on the day for this account, as you can see. So happy days there. So I'll probably pass this account tomorrow. And then this will be the account. This will be the platform I actually start trading New York on. So if you do want to get one of these accounts, it is a Flex account, 2-day pass, exactly like TopStep, 0 activation fee. And when you actually funded, there's no consistency rule. So that's what I'm using for that. Obviously, you all know, use the code LOCKIN. That shit's going to get you fucking... It'll get you 50% off your first 2, because I've already bought the first 2. It's now 40%. Your first 2, you'll be $65 all in, which is fucking neat. So as you can see, boys, this is what I used to copy trade. Now, if you look this morning, these are all the W's that I took this morning on London. P&L card here made 3.4 fucking K, 3.5K. One of the TopSteps accounts I had linked in New York, and obviously I took a loss in New York, so that was up 300, but fucking bullshit New York. Didn't mean to do that. But yeah, up on all these accounts, as you can see. Now for New York today, Yeah, bullshit. Lost 1.4k. Now the big thing is the big difference is with New York, I only have 4 accounts. I have 1 Top Step, 3 Apex accounts that are all passed. These are all funded accounts. Now London, I'm trading 12 accounts. I'm probably gonna buy another Lucid that I can use and trade that as well. So I'll be trading 12, 13. And my plan is obviously now I can take a payout from the Apex accounts. The next plan is to pass these Lucid accounts and then pass the Top Step accounts as well as take a payout from the Top Step account that I recently just passed. So yeah, with London session, with all these accounts once passed, I will eventually go to take a 2k payout from each account. So that will end up being a 20,000 plus payout. Now, if all goes well, I should genuinely. Now, if all goes well, in theory, if I use the same consistency, the same momentum that I've had the past 3, 4, 5 months in London session, and use this and go forward in funded stage, I should basically. It's already happened. In my eyes, it's basically already happened. I'm very confident in the London session. So we'll see, boys. Let's see how fucking things may change in the next month or so. I'm looking forward to it. Whereas New York, I'm slowing down, completely slowing down, finding consistency right now, and I haven't this year so far. If I'm just being completely honest with you, I just haven't found consistency in New York, especially compared to London session. So I don't mind going down to 1 account, 2 accounts. I've still got another $500-600 left in these Apex accounts. So, you know, there is still hope. I have another fucking like $60 in the Top Step account. If I blow it, I don't really give a fuck. Keep it moving. But if you want for London session, genuinely won't think I could trade at this point. I just keep getting my ass fucking whooped in New York. So yeah, we'll keep it moving, boys. We will keep it moving. But yeah, if you do want to check the P&L out, boys, it is in the description, so you can go see this shit, all the screenshots. Obviously, I passed an account on Friday last week. Boom. Now, new adjustments that I am making to my trading is I'm no longer going to be trading Friday. As you can see, if you go through the day, yeah, I won last Friday, but New York session, I keep getting fucked. Loss, no trade, loss, W, no trade, no trade, break even, loss. These are all Friday, loss. I've won 2 Fridays the entire fucking year, boys. So I'm going to give it a miss. London session as well, it's not the most consistent day. Last week, no trade. Friday, the week before that, loss. W, but it ended up being a short, a 1-1. Exited. Like, bro, the price was shit. A 1-1 on the other Friday. Like, Friday's just not a good day. For me personally, Friday's not a good day. So I am going to be leaving that. So I'm now trading Monday through Thursday. I'm scaling London session and I'm slowing down on New York. I'm potentially just going to go all in on London at this point and keep my psychology fucking chilled and calm. But yeah, boys, I'm getting frustrated with New York, so we'll see what I can do with London, basically. But yeah, boys, did take the shot here, like I say. And yeah. Also, I am going to begin to stop live trading New York session. Reason for that is my computer just keeps on crashing every time I come to the New York session. Now I am going to trail out using Zoom tomorrow, and if that works, then fucking whoop-de-days. But if it doesn't, I will only live trade London, and I'll be getting the content back. So we have content for New York and videos and fucking get the channel arriving, and some fun shit going on. So rather than these boring trade recaps, so that's the plan, boys. Besides that, appreciate every single fucking one here. Remember, Apex is still 85% off. So use the code LOCKIN. Again, Lucid Trader as well. Use the code fucking LOCKIN. That shit's also going to get you 50% off your first 2 accounts, 40% off your 3, 4, whatever the fuck it is. But yeah, boys, besides that, love yous and leaves yous. Another day, another dollar. Peace.